Maddie asked a question here about a quadratic. Write the equation of a quadratic in factored form that has zeros at -4, 0, and 3, 0, and passes through the point 2, -30. Well, with quadratics, we're very familiar with the standard form, which is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The next form we're probably most familiar with would be the vertex form, and the vertex is at h and k. Probably the form that we learned how to factor but don't really associate so much is the factored form that has roots at m and n. So that's definitely the form we want to use here. It does even tell you factored form. It gives you the roots, which is the same as the zeros, at -4, 0, and 3, 0. So our equation would be y equals a, that's our stretch factor, we don't know that yet, x plus 4, remember it's minus m, and m is -4, so minus -4, which is the same as plus 4, and then we'll get x minus n, and our other root or 0 is 3, so x minus 3. So we've got our equation to that point. We just need to find what is our stretch factor a, and they do very kindly tell us one additional point. So we can use this point, not minus 230, it's 2, -30. So we're going to use this one point. We're going to substitute that into our equation, and that will help us figure out what a is. So the y coordinate is -30 equals a, which is what we're trying to find. X is our 2, so we've got 2 plus 4, and then x minus 3, which will be 2 minus 3. So we've got -30 equals a. 2 plus 4 is just 6, and 2 minus 3 is -1. So we've got -30 equals -1 times 6 is -6, so -6a. Kind of out of room here at the bottom, but we're going to divide both sides. I'm going to squeeze it in, divide both sides by -6, which will give us -30 divided by -6 is 5. -6a divided by -6 is just a. So our final equation, and if you can excuse me for being lazy here, I'm just going to put that a equals 5. I am just going to put it right here. So this is indeed our final answer. Y equals 5, parentheses, x plus 4, close parentheses, open the next parentheses, x minus 3. Hope that helps.